how to uninstall program in Windows 11. For me to uninstall program in Windows 11, I need to go to control panel. I can type control panel from the taskbar, then click on control panel. From the control panel, you can go to uninstall program. So from here you can look for which of the program that you want to uninstall. You can see the list of program being on your Windows 11. So I want to uninstall this program. You click on this program and you click on uninstall. Uninstall is the same thing as to remove programs. I want to uninstall Evernote software.